I'm Josh, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Auckland, New Zealand. Today, I'm going to show you how to resolve the ModuleNotFoundError when using the Sparkmagic kernel on an Amazon SageMaker Notebook instance. Let's get started. Please note, for the purpose of this demo, I have already set up a SageMaker Studio domain. When you're developing in a SageMaker notebook with the Sparkmagic kernel, the notebook acts as an interface for an Apache Spark session running on a remote EMR cluster or an AWS Glue development endpoint. If you use pip on the SageMaker notebook instance to install a Python library, then it's only available locally on that instance. To use that library with Sparkmagic, you must install it on the remote EMR cluster. You can do this through a Bootstrap action. This is a script that will run upon cluster creation and can be used to install additional software such as Python packages. You can create a shell script that installs the desired packages and upload it to Amazon's Simple Storage service. Here is a bucket I've created in advance. Now that I've uploaded the script, I'm going to copy the S3 URI to use when creating my EMR cluster. I will now add a Bootstrap action and specify the script location from S3. This will make the packages available by default across all nodes in your cluster. Please make sure to grant your EMR service role permission to access your S3 bucket. Keep in mind that if your code doesn't need the remote cluster resources, then you can use local mode instead. To do this, prepend %% local to run the cell only on the notebook instance. For example, this way, you can run the code without having the external library installed on your remote cluster. And now you know how to resolve the ModuleNotFoundError when using the Sparkmagic kernel on a SageMaker notebook instance. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.